say in Jackson, Tennessee, 500 people are going to come out of a restaurant or an office building or Target or Office Depot or any shop and find that someone has dinged or dented their vehicle. What are they going to do about it?
Nothing.
Nothing is the right answer. They're going to look at it and go, shit, damn it. Rude son of a bitch. I wish I could get my hands on it. Then they're going to go on about their business.
Yep.
Okay? And that could be their first ding or dent. If it's the first ding or dent on a new car, they're going to be really mad. If it's like the 15th, they're pretty much over it. But the answer is they're going to do nothing about it. Okay? So, if they don't do anything about their dings and dents, and I tell them we're going to give them paintless dent repair, what value have I created for them? No value at all. Zero. Most people don't even know what paintless dent repair is. Nobody gets these things fixed. They don't even look into how much it would cost to get a ding or a dent fixed. But do they end up paying for those dings and dents?
Yes.
How so, Jacob?
Trading.
When they trade the vehicle, when they sell the vehicle outright, someone is going to deduct from the value of that vehicle for every ding or dent it has. Now, at retail, how much does it cost to fix a ding or a dent the size of a dime?
$60.
About 50 bucks, okay? The biggest they can fix is credit card size, okay? How much would that one cost?
$200.
About 150, all right? So, if a customer's got 8 or 9 of those little things, is it significantly impacting the value of their vehicle?
Yes.
This is how you have to communicate the value.